Well, howdy there and welcome to my latest adventure. In this video we are taking a trip to beautiful Winter Park. As well as a stroll through town, we'll go on the awesome Scenic Boat Tour and dine at a lovely Italian restaurant. Yum! Gosh, this is a new experience. We're going to take the train. How cool! So this is the Sunrail train and we're getting on at Poinciana station. Best get some tickets. And we're off. This is awesome. Lots of seats. The train's on time and it's very comfortable. I likes this. There goes our train on to the next station. We'll see you later. So here we are at Winter Park. The train station is right next to the main street, so real convenient. This really is such a beautiful place and has such a relaxed feel and nice vibe. I do like it here. Always a lovely day out. If you likes your shopping, there's plenty of stores to have a browse along this street. A little coffee break at Boca. This was a nice place and the food looked good. There's some beautiful homes in Winter Park, just a little away from the main street if you fancies a stroll. So gonna take another trip on the Scenic Boat Tour. This is only a short walk from the main street. This is a really awesome boat ride. I've put some details and a link in the description for you. Here we go, out on the water. There's some fantastic homes on these lakes. Now those are some darn nice views from your back porch. The captains of these boats are full of great information about this area, and they're a bit of a hoot too. Mr. Frog, you stay there, please.
lawn, and it is a beautiful home facing the lake, and he was very upset because be able to see the lake from anywhere they were at inside that house. So no matter where you're at, you will have a lakeside view. That right code we call alligator code. About 30 years ago, the house on the left of it, that home, when he played for the Orlando Magic.
Hey, look closely and you can see my pal Mickey. Love these little canals between the lakes.
Around our garden, and there's always someone in there either doing glamour shots or family portraits. You may catch someone on one knee proposing. Call it the Tom Hanks house. He rented it and filmed a couple inside movie things for some of his movies. Beautiful little bridge that goes across to a man-made, well-made, and then we do have a Charlie Brown chicken Christmas tree. We leave that decorated all year long, but we got some balls that look right. And in remembrance of a few of the skippers, and then we do have ospreys built nests in it right now. The water is deep enough for a snake bird in these trees here. That's what you see going under the water, that skinny neck. He owned it. And his father came down and bought that because his grand piano would not fit in his door. And as I
Thanks, Captain, that sure was fun. After that time on the water, I needs me some grub. I really like this restaurant, Panolo's Italian, Mamma Mia. Lots of choice on the menu and some scrummy looking dishes. Yummy bread for starters. Now that's a calzone pizza. Don't forget to check in on my next adventure to see what I've been up to.